Hey, if you know me, I don't do drama. Drama and I don't mix. The only drama I want in my life is what's on my face, and in particular, my eyes. I love a dramatic eye. But for everyday wear, it's a lot of work to wear false eyelashes, and I've been looking for the longest time for something that will allow me to wear false eyelashes with less work. So in the past, I've tried these double layered magnetic lashes, and I was thinking maybe, just maybe, these are the solution. So I've tried them. I've tried different sets. This one was from Amazon and this one was from Quo, which you can get at Shoppers Drug Mart. This one had two little magnetic clips at the ends, and this one had 3. So I was like, maybe if it has more clips, it'll work better. But both times, it was so hard to put on. My husband would have to help me for almost an hour to get his help to wear false eyelashes, and it was not worth it. It's like trying to wear contact lenses for the first time. It's so painful. In my honest opinion, it's not worth it. I really wanted something better, something that was easier. So I heard good things about magnetic gel liners with magnetic lashes. And so when I saw these at Rexall, which is a drugstore, and they were on sale for 20 bucks, I thought, let's just try it. And I did. I bought them. They're normally $25, and because it was on sale, I thought I'd just pick them up. And here's the packaging, just in case you're curious. And after I wore them, I had such a good response. People asking me questions like, how do you wear it, Felicia? And how does it feel after wearing them for a whole day? And how do you take them off? So I decided I am gonna answer all your questions, starting with, how do you wear them? So I'm starting off with some basic eyeshadow, no primer, just to show you how I'd start to wear these. Then I apply a liquid eyeliner. I love this Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. I've been wearing this for almost 10 years, probably at least 7 years. I love it. It's one of my favorite. It glides on so easily and it doesn't pull on your skin at all. So I'm gonna apply this first. Very good, super easy. I love an easy cat eye, and I do this to tightline as well so that you can't really see the difference between the flesh and the lashes. It just makes it look a lot cleaner and a lot sharper. Now that my eyeliner is done, it's time to use the magnetic eyeliner. This kit includes a magnetic gel eyeliner, of course with the liner brush, and then magnetic lashes. And I've used it twice before, so it's not super brand new, but I think it's a good thing because I've learned a couple things from wearing it twice already, and I'm gonna share those details with you. So first off, I'm gonna pop out the liner and the liner brush. Put 2 coats of liner on. So I'm gonna put that on top of my liquid eyeliner. And I absolutely love how creamy and rich and pigmented this liner is. It's really cool. It's a little stickier than regular gel eyeliner. And here's a good tip. Don't be afraid to add a little bit more liner to the inner corner and outer corners of the eye. Okay. Over time, I've noticed that the magnet itself on the eyelash can loosen its grip. So I think if you have more liner in some areas, that will really help it stick on a lot better. So there's one, you can see how that looks, and it actually looks really nice on its own. So I'm gonna do the other eye. And then you have to add one more layer. You can see there's a little bit of fallout right there. You just can clean it up with a Q-tip. Oil-based makeup removers work well for removing this magnetic eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. It's a little bit messy. That's one of the things I've found with this magnetic eyeliner. It's a lot messier than, let's say, just a regular liquid eyeliner. Next step, adding the lashes themselves. So you have to add it when it's semi-wet or semi-dry. And then you push down. So I have one ready to go. Here we go, and I'm gonna show you how easy this is. It like clings on instantly. That was ridiculously easy, like insanely easy, and look at the difference. That looks so good. I am so impressed. Every time I put it on, it gets me every single time because it looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other one. And I still see there's a little bit of fallout, so I'm gonna clean that up. Wait for it. What? Seriously, how good does this look? Seriously, just look at that. Just let's have a moment. It looks so good. What? Looks so nice. And even though there was a little bit of smudging, it was pretty easy to clean up. I just put a bit of eyeshadow on top and cleaned it up with that oil-based eye makeup remover. For the most part, I don't really think you can see the 4 little magnets along the lash line because the liner is so thick. I just pressed in the lashes just a little bit and it holds so good. In terms of what it feels like wearing regular eyelashes. And if you're allergic to the adhesive, this might be a good option for you. So it's really, really easy to put on. This could be the solution that I was looking for everyday glamour, everyday drama. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm gonna have another video showing what it's like to wear the whole day and how to take it off. So those will be 2 separate videos. I hope you continue watching, and if you have any more questions, please let me know. Have a great day.